Okay, my name is Amit Batabyal. I am a professor of economics at the Rochester Institute of Technology in Rochester, New York. More specifically, I hold an endowed chair called the Arthur J. Gosnell Chair in Economics. So I am an economist by training. So generally speaking, I apply microeconomic theory to any and all problems that I find interesting. So this includes areas like natural resource and environmental economics, international trade theory, the problems of developing countries, ecological economics, and of course, last but certainly not the least, also regional science. I have a great interest in modeling and studying problems in regional science, and I've continued to do so for the last decade almost. URSA conference is a very useful and worthwhile conference for anybody in regional science to attend, but more generally, it is also of great interest to North American participants such as myself, because we are exposed to a kind of research that you might not otherwise be exposed to were you to solely go to North American conferences. In addition, it also offers a great opportunity to interact with other colleagues, get a sense for how they are interested in attacking problems that I too am interested in. And finally, it's also a great way in which to introduce your research to other people and get yourself invited to and invite colleagues to other research conferences and participate in journal special issues. So there are a couple of challenges from my perspective as an individual researcher based in North America, and I would say that there are three of them. One is to make sure that we're continually relevant in addressing the key policy challenges of the day, and the single issue that I would like to highlight is climate change, arguably the most environmentally salient problem, but I don't see enough research on climate change. That's point one. Point two, I would like to see greater rigor in the analyses that are carried out by researchers, be they empirical in mind or theoretical in mind. And finally, the last bit, on a bit of a negative note, we should be careful to make sure that we don't describe things only, but then proceed to analyze them. Description is not research, analysis is research, and we need to be mindful of that third point.